up guys, this is Hope Take Care again. Today we're gonna look at a different video. I didn't make this video on purpose. Actually, I'm going under an issue. My Redmi Note 3 is blinking a red light over here, as you can see. After it got fully discharged, I'm charging this phone right now, but it kept blinking this red light. It's been 90 minutes or more than that. It just keep blinking red light here. So I've got this solution for this. What I think is I've removed the back cover of this Redmi Note 3, and what I think is that what we can do is the solution for this is that remove this battery, charge this phone, and then plug it again. The phone will boot normally. I'm gonna do it right now. If it works, I'll upload this video, and if it doesn't, I'll find another solution for it. So see you in the next half. Hey guys, what I did is, thankfully it worked. What I did is, I'm gonna show you. What I did is, you can see I've unplugged this battery from the phone, and when I was charging this phone on my computer, it was not giving the required amps to the phone, so it was not charging. But when I connected this phone to a power brick, as you can see, I've connected here the power brick. I'm gonna on the brick now, and you can see that my phone is charging. It got booted up. So yeah, I think it's a solution. Now it's gonna charge. Yeah, you can see this, the phone is charging. Yep, the phone is charging, and I'm gonna try to boot it up. Let's see if it boots up, phone boots up or not. I press the button now. It is charging. Yes, it booted up. So you can say is that my phone is booted up. My phone is currently not connected to the battery. It's charging the dock. After doing this, when you see the Mi logo, you can plug the battery in again, and your problem is fixed. So guys, if you find this video, do share this, do like, show some love. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.